Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain the basic aggregation functions of SparkSQL in Databricks. I have already connected to the community edition of Cloud Databricks, and I have already created this notebook named as aggregation underscore calculation underscore NB. As you can see, this is the comment here. In this notebook, I will explain the basic aggregation functions of SparkSQL in Databricks. I have created the table colleges from the dataset colleges.csv, which is already present in Databricks. So these are the fields: date, state, county, city, ID, college, cases 2021, and nodes. Let's start with the aggregation function. In this case, I am calculating the sum of cases from that colleges table. You can see select college, then sum of cases from the table name, group by the column. Let's run it. Yeah. So it returns the college and the total number of cases for that college. Let's go to the next syntax. Here I am calculating the sum of cases and group by state. Previously, I was doing that group by based on the college, but here I am doing the group by based on the state. Let's run it. Control enter. You can see state and the total cases. Then go to the next syntax. Here I am calculating the sum of cases, and then I am doing a subtraction of sum of cases minus sum of cases in 2021. And while doing the subtraction, I am using that NVL. So if cases 2021 is null, it will replace that with 0. So it will return the records like this: state, total cases, and sum of cases minus sum of cases 2021. Then I will count the records based on the state. So in this case, state, then count of state, then from the table name, group by column. Let's run it. Yeah, you can see there are 10 entries for this state Utah, uh, and for Hawaii, it's 9. For Minnesota, it's 64. Ohio, it's 71. Like that, you'll get the results. Let's go to the next one. In this case, I'm showing how to use max, min in Spark SQL. It's similar like the normal SQL, whatever we are using while executing the query for databases. Select state, max of column, then min of the column name. From table name, group by the column name. Let's run it now. For this state, maximum cases and minimum cases. In this way, we'll find out. Next is we want to find the greatest is doing these cases and cases 21 based on these two fields, and then the least between the cases and the cases 21 fields. So we are going to use this greatest function and the least function. While doing that, we have to mention the field names. Um, Field name from which we need the greatest. So if you run this, for this state, we can see greatest 41. Here 41, like that it will show. Then let's go to the next function. Okay, there in the previous one we tried to find out the greatest and the least, but here we need to find the max of greatest and mean of least. So in this way, we can get the value like this. If you run this, Yeah, it will show the state and the max value and the mean value. Uh, a max greatest between cases and cases 2021. Then a mean and least cases and cases 21 will get the value like this. Let's go to the next one. In this case, we will find out the count for that state. How many record counts are there? So it's a count of the field name. Let's run it now. You can see for this state Utah, it's 10. In Hawaii, it's 9. Minnesota, it's 64. Like that, you will get. In this case, we want to find out the states where the count is 1. So this is what we'll do. We'll select state, count of the field name from the table name, grouped by that field name, having count of that field equal to 1. If you want to show wherever the count equal to 1, we have to mention equal to 1. Let's run it. So there are only 5 records or 5 states for which the count is equal to 1. Or if you want to mention greater than equal to 5, let's run it. Yeah, previously for equal to 1, it was showing 5 records, but for this greater than equal to 5, it is showing 50 records here. Let's go to the next syntax. In this case, so we are trying to find out the count based on the state. Based on state and order by the count of counting. So you can see here its default ascending. So it started with the count 1, 1, 1, 1, then 4, then 7, 8, like that. If you add the syntax DESC, it will be in the reverse. You can see here the count of that county has been shown here. Max is 210, then 141, 117, 90, 87, like this. So these are the some basic aggregation functions which is present in SparkSQL. Thank you.